Morning everyone, welcome back to another video. We're here getting in a batch of ewes and lambs for dipping. So, Mike, good dog. Good dog. So, we're dipping all our sheep at the moment. And there's numerous reasons for it. We bought in ewes, a good few horned ewes over the last couple of years. So I just want to make sure that we're on top of all those things. And the ewes here at the moment are going the wrong way. Not going the way they should be. Good dog, good dog. The dog's here beside me. Good dog. Belle, come in. Oh, lads. Couldn't go straight forward. But yeah, no, so we're dipping again and it's a cracking morning. Yeah, so this is the third batch we're getting down. Other batches in. See them will go away, they're handy enough. So Yvain will be whipping shortly and she'll be taking over camera duties a little bit. But it's nice to get them in. Now we have to separate them into their different batches. We have to fix them up. So it's just the idea is that by dipping them and doing it that way, it keeps them clean and healthy. And with the Swallenborg around last year and with blue tongue around and a few bits and pieces like that, so a few of these jobs just wanted to get on top of, and because the weather is so good I just said why wait till later on to do it. And also there's different batches the owls have to go into, so it's that lambs have to be caught anyway, so we might as well do it and get two jobs done. We're not sure when we'll be shearing in the summer, so again this will cover them and cover the lambs for the ticks and all that too. So it's good to get it done, and we're moving the sheep to different fields anyway, so at least this way now we can job we hadn't planned doing, but we're getting on top of it. Come on Bob, where are you lad? Come on. Come on Bob. Come on Bob, come on. Away Bob. Away Bob. Good dog. Away Bob. Away Bob. And Bob's like myself, getting a little bit old for all this walking and running around. But we're getting them in early in the morning here, so it's and the heat doesn't get to the dogs too much. This is what, 7:30 and this is our third batch coming in, so it's not too bad. We'll try and stay on top of it if possible, and then we'll leave gates open for them to run back up into their batches. So we want to. It's nice to see them. Lovely morning, lovely and peaceful. And there's Bob panting, and Mac and Belle, and Belle's always on duty. She can't take a break for a minute. Oh, Belle. And the reason we have the three dogs going is that at this stage they're so used to working together, it doesn't make much of a difference. Sometimes they do get a bit jealous of each other, but Max, he works to the left mostly, Bob works to the right mostly, and Belle just walks behind him, so it's not, 9 times out of 10 it's not a tough job. And but when they are you only bring 2, sometimes you end up with more hardship because the dog is expecting the other dog to bail them out at times, which doesn't work always. It's alright, Pat. Come on. Give the lambs a minute and they go through the gate. You'd wonder how. That's it, close the gate. The lambs ran up the field, and now they've figured out that that's it, here one goes over the wall, the other goes over the wall, and the gate's open. Ah, sure, they're gone through, which is the main thing. Good dog, Mike. Good lad. That's it. Easy, easy, lad. These could come out of any bush, anywhere. In fairness to the owls do know quite well where to go. The question sometimes does be, do they want to go? Sit now, sit. And they run down fairly easy enough. And down here we used to have a pen. And over the years, the winters and the weather, it fell, so we have to pull it back up sometime. But when that time will be, I don't know. Good dog. Oh. Come on, Mike. Good dog. Good dog. Hey, easy. And swells take no nonsense. They don't like being hunted. Good girl, back. That's it, Belle. Spike up. Ah, no. I said speak, Belle, not take the legs off them. Come on, Bob. Away, Bob. Away, Bob. Away, Bob. Steady, Bob. Hop, hop. Belle. The owls down at the pen. It'll be good to run into the pen and go out and rain, but the last shoot has always been a bit of hardship. Come on, Bob. Come on. Come on. Away, Bob. Come on, Max. Good lad. Hey, Belle, would you stop? And when it comes to getting the sheep in, Bob always hangs back. So when it comes this close, you're always down to 2 dogs. Almost in there now. Come on, Senior's go. Easy now. Hey dogs, huh? He's tired, boys and girls. Well, the day's only started. That's them done now, so we go and get the breakfast and get starting doors getting dipped. So we're dipping the owls and lambs here today. This is the second batch we dipped this morning. We dipped out the mules out with them and got them all going together. Get them into the truck and give them a good soak. So we have a real easy system. I catch the owls and Elaine can catch the lambs. Is that right, chicken?
Yeah.
So I can just leave them here and get a good soak. It's a good big truck for it. Oh, it's nice and easy. We'll just take a minute or two to soak down. Oh, they're soaking. You can always get in another 1 or 2. And we have 2 dip trucks. And this is the main one. Are you nearly ready to catch them lambs, chicken?
Yeah, nearly.
Nearly ready. How is it? You don't go down when you want me to go down. Come on, let's go. Yeah. We have that batch done up there, and then there's a few out there, and then that's this batch finished. You gonna catch chips? You gonna go on and get chips? Alright, get chips this time. Go on, get chips this time.